Hello everybody, HowlGamer2000 here. We're gonna do Donkey Kong Jr. Math. I know it's a little math game that most people don't really care about, but I did the Donkey Kong, original Donkey Kong series like almost 3 years ago, and I decided maybe I should like do Donkey Kong Jr. Math because I completely just didn't play this while I was doing the whole series. That counted 1, 2, and 3. I'm guessing this is 4-ish. Feels like a more of a spin-off of the other 3 in a comparison, but it's kind of plays a lot differently. So yeah, I'm recording this off an emulator, so I didn't really buy the game. So I'll talk as I play. I did a test recording, so it's not going to be the best quality on emulator, but that's okay. So we're going to do some math, folks, because school is going to start up in like 2 days, and I have an orientation tomorrow, so, yep. And yeah, I do Donkey Kong game every year. Remember, I did Donkey Kong Country 1 and 2 and 3 every year, every day before school starts. And here I'm at here again, so, yeah. Now I just gotta use my brain again. So yeah, I'll talk about this game as soon as I figure this math problem out. Oh, actually no. It's actually kind of hard to lose if you already know how to do easy math questions. So what we're gonna do is you can't touch the number again after you pick one. So, and we're going to do times 7 again, because that's 49. Here we go. Alright, it just automatically hooks up to it. Okay, that's 49. Now we just got to do plus 2, and now we got that equation out of the way. See, I did skip this part of the series like almost 3 years ago. I was using a camera to record my gameplay screen on Virtual Console, but now I'm actually doing this more professionally than before. And yeah, this is meant to be a 2-player game, but I don't have a second player and a second controller. But yeah, this is mostly meant for 2-player, as you can see. So yeah. Yeah, you get random math questions. You get an apple as a win and stuff like that. Might be a few sound glitches. Oops, I did not mean to get a 1 there. So I guess it doesn't really matter, because watch this. I'm gonna do plus. All right. So 1 plus. Alright, let me figure it out. Alright, so... Okay, and I'm more of a math guy than a reading guy, I realized over my life, actually. So, yeah. Oh man, I actually don't think this will work, actually. What I was trying to do is I was trying to get plus 3, then do 8 times 8 plus 3 to equal 67. But it doesn't look like it's working. Oh my gosh, that's not gonna work. Oh, and also I'm recording this in HD as much as I can in 30 frames per second. And this is the best the emulator quality can look. This quality is just as good as what I'm seeing. What are you? Alright, if that made any sense. Anyway, oh yeah. I don't know, man. Oh, I have a better idea. I can fix this again. I'll do plus 5, and then do times, but that would just be 64 again. Times 8. No, 64. Now we just gotta do plus 3 again. Oh shoot. Yeah, emulator's not the best in the play on. Alright, see? You can fix your math problems just like that. I shouldn't be playing for too long. I'll play until I get all the apples possible. I guess. Get times. Oh man, I should have got 9 instead. Oh well. Oh, never mind. I'm pretty good. Just need to do +1 now. And yeah, this game is pretty easy. If you know math. If you're like at least a 5th grader, you'll be able to do this. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna do... I guess this would be more harder if I was playing with another person. So yeah, I wish there was at least like a CPU. A computer player, at least, but nope. Oh gosh, that's glitching. It's terrifying. It probably glitches more that I have my screen capture on. Like one of the best free screen captures. Alright. Oh yeah. Not. And I gotta... This is my first time warming up for school. I got a lot of school supplies and stuff, a new backpack, over $100 and everything. How many apples can you go up to anyway? Oh my goodness. Don't tell me there's gonna be like 10 apples. Oh, I get it. Because they put apples because that's like... I get it, okay. I'll just hurry up. So yeah, it's kind of weird how there's a math game of this. Who wants to play this game if you don't like math? So I think this is more for like nerds, I guess. I don't know. Oh goodness. Glitches up every once in a while. So yeah, this emulator I'm actually using is actually the one I'm going to use for a lot of... Damn it, I didn't mean to touch that number. Oh well, I'll just... Yep, it's kind of easy still, since there's like no competitor. So +3. +3, here we go. So yeah, pretty easy. How many apples does it go up to? I don't... Oh, yep, I won. No competition whatsoever. Well then. Well. There's also this one too. I don't know the difference though. Oh, it's negative numbers. Okay, I see. Might as well play this, I guess. It definitely gives more of a challenge. Wait, is it starting me with -150? I think so. Okay. If I remember math correctly, negative number times a positive number is negative. I'm going into my sophomore year, so I should get this. Alright. So, let's do the math here. Let's do times 4. Alright, pretty good. Now we gotta do it by, now we gotta add negative, Alright, I'm gonna try this, how do you even do this, actually? Because it'll take so long to do it each by 9 by 9, you know? Alright. Alright, sorry I got stuck there, don't know if I'll do this, actually. Just don't think it's like... I don't think it's very possible. And you get to see what happens when you die, then, at least. Well, nothing really happens. Nothing really happens. Or Or maybe I just start over and the computer player doesn't start over. I don't know. And times, I'm gonna do times 1. It's gonna be the same exact thing. There we go. You know how long this would take though if I just did like, watch, minus 9. See how long that would take? This might actually be like impossible at this point. I could just say screw it, I don't even like need to play this one. Oh, sorry, saw my mouse. Yeah, I'm just gonna quit. And we're gonna play a different mode. We're gonna play exercise. Alright, oops. Yeah, I have to press enter. Alright, this one's a little bit different actually. So you see here, you do these kind of stuff. So yeah, you get to do the thing, whatever it's called, you know. And how it works is you do this, and then you drop down somehow. Oops. Pressed X. Because that means start over, I press X on my keyboard. Oh my goodness. I pressed space and it brought me back to the beginning. Didn't know math was so hard. No, it's not the math, it's the gameplay. Guess you can really just choose which one you want. 7. Alright, how do you drop down? Like, how do you drop down? Oh, like that. Alright. Let's see. I watched Slim Kirby play this recently on his finale of NES Marathon. And that's how you win. Alright, now I know. You just have to, like, go sideways to jump off or something. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Don't know how long this video is going to be. Probably longer than the others. Oh yeah, and that's a shortcut. And yeah, pretty easy. Get points for it too. So yeah, personally I'm in a high level math group at school right now. So that's pretty cool, huh? Ever since 8th grade, so 2 years ago. Alright, this one they're gonna upward the difficulty a little bit, but that'll be, hopefully I'm right. Hopefully it's 17. I'm not using calculator because that would be stupid. And 7 and do plus 8 because it you know, it brings the I forgot what it's called. I just don't remember the math names. I just remember how to do it, you know. Cause I'm not much of a reading language arts type of person. Oh shit, squishy. Alright, so it brought it up to so that bring that 6 to a 7. So 7 plus 6 is another 13. Now 1. And yeah, pretty easy. And sometimes in math you mess up little mistakes sometimes, but it's just because you're not being that careful. Oh shoot, I think I'm wrong. Yeah, I knew I was wrong. So that, at least I know what happens when you die, so you just fall off and die and not land on your feet, I guess. So it's 0. I made a mistake like I just mentioned. Alright, and then it brings it to 7. There we go. See? I don't know how long I'll play this game for, but might not be able to play every single level. But I count this as a let's play, why not, I guess. 5, 6. It's 7 because it is. Alright, so. Oh, it skipped 6 because I did terrible on. Because I messed up on 6. Dang. Alright, so this is gonna be 8. There's gonna be 12. Oops. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, that's 10 on the second one. Alright, I see. Oh, I see. You don't get like those egg things. Anyway. Dang, I feel stupid. It's because I'm not being careful, that's why. Simple math questions. Like, let me tell you, they're simple. This is definitely like elementary to me. Like, unless you get to a harder level. It might be middle school level. I don't think it'll ever get to high school level. Alright, yeah. And I basically beat the game, I guess. And yes, I think that's all I'm gonna play right now. I'm using a different microphone if you're wondering why I sound different. My voice is a little bit deeper on that microphone. And yeah, that is it, guys. Sorry, I spaced out of the emulator. This is what I'm using. This is what I'm used for some games in my Let's Play All video game series. So I'll see you guys next time for more. You know, some more Donkey Kong. I'm actually gonna start I was actually joking about this being like the Donkey Kong game of the year that I'm playing. It's actually gonna be Donkey Kong 64. Yeah, you might be wondering, that's really stressful to collect everything because I usually 100%, but I changed my mind for Donkey Kong 64 that hopefully I'll play tomorrow after my orientation. I'll try to start that series, and I might just try to beat the game because 100%ing is stressful, especially when I'm in like 10th grade right now. So see you guys then. Hope you guys have a good school start, and see you guys later. Bye.